Here we have a large building that we are going to calc the 1x4 lighting in its lobby. We can go ahead and export the LightStanza. When we export, we can select a single space instead of the entire building to considerably speed up the workflow for this large model. Now that the lobby is selected, we can go ahead and export the LightStanza. In LightStanza, the first thing I will do for this irregular shaped lobby is to delete fixtures I don't need. This is optional since your calcs will still run accurately, but a little more slowly with them still in it. Now with the extra fixtures removed, I can examine other irregularities in this Revit model. In this case, there's a strange looking pendant flipped on its side. Let's delete it. Let's take a look at another unusually placed fixture. We can do so more easily with the View Location in 3D feature. Another Revit bug. Let's delete it too. We are now ready to assign IES files to the fixtures. I'm going to upload IES files for both high and low output fixtures and run calcs for each. As you can see, with LightStanza, you can set up and run calcs for both at once without waiting. I can also label each of my calcs for easy reference. LightStanza stores them online for easy retrieval and collaboration. Now that I have results, I can view them individually or compare them side by side. After selecting the comparison button, I can choose any two calcs to review. This video shows how you can run lighting calcs from a Revit model comparing two different lumen packages for an irregular space. Thank you.